Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing Ace hardware deals to share with you. These deals are good for the entire month of April, assuming that they don't sell out. I will have a single link down below to my website that has everything we talk about in this video and some previous deals that are still valid, which we will touch base on the end just very quickly. The first deal we have, this is only good if you only want one battery. If you want two batteries, I actually have a better deal for you that will be coming up, so keep an eye on the website. I don't know if there will be a video for it. So we have the DeWalt 20 volt 5 amp hour battery, normally $119, but for Ace Rewards members, of course, that is free to join. It's not like a credit card or anything, and you earn points towards discounts on future purchases. Ace Rewards members pay $79. Now, if we do a little comparison here, Home Depot sells a single battery currently for $159. So basically half price of what Home Depot is going to ask from you for this battery. If you're interested in two, I can get you two for about this $119 price. So again, keep an eye on the website, possibly the YouTube channel, and we'll have that coming up. Now we have some really good low dollar stuff this month at Ace. We have the Erwin spring clamp set. It's a 6-piece set, normally $9.99, on sale for $7.99. Ace Rewards members get the $3 off, bringing it all the way down to $4.99 for the 6-pack of those Erwin clamps. We have the Stanley Super Wonder Bar 15-inch pry bar, normally $15.99, on sale for $7.99, and then Ace Rewards members get it for $4.99. I'm going to be picking up both of those for myself. Another one I'll be getting, the Stanley 150 series wood chisels. It's a 3-pack, normally $15.99, on sale for $7.99. Ace Rewards members get $3 off, bringing it down to $4.99. I'm probably actually going to pick up all this low dollar stuff because it's good deals. Stanley Fat Max retractable utility knife, normally $13, down to $8. Ace Rewards members save even more, going down to $4.99 for the utility knife. A couple of Fiskars items coming up for you. Here we have the Power Gear Steel Bypass Pruners, normally $28, down to $21.99. We have the 10-inch steel serrated Hedge shears, normally $31.99, down to $21.99. Here we have the Power Lever Steel Lopper Pruners, normally $35, down to $21.99. Now this deal is kind of interesting and also goofy. It's goofy. Milwaukee Torque Lock 3-piece forged alloy steel plier set. $49.99, not a sale price or anything, just $49.99. When you purchase that, you also get $18 off this screwdriver set. It's a 6-piece screwdriver set. The kind of funny thing is the screwdriver set is $22.99. You're getting $18 off. So you're not getting the screwdriver set for free. You are now getting the screwdriver set for $4.99. Almost in every single instance, when they do some kind of goofy thing like this, where you buy an item and you get something else, the second item is free. The second item isn't $5 more, it's free. Very weird that we still have to pay the $5. But if you want to get those screwdrivers cheap, that's a way to do it. Have a Makita deal for you. The angle grinders, normally $65, $10 off for rewards members, brings it down to $55. That is a corded tool, obviously. Another corded Makita deal, we have the Random Orbit Sander, normally $79.99, down to $69.99. Here we have a kit, the Craftsman Blower Kit, normally $99, down to $79. Here we have a Black & Decker 10-inch 20-volt battery trimmer and blower combo kit. It's a kit, actually. And that means it comes with the battery and charger, obviously. $99.99, $10 off. I know, not huge discounts, but they're on sale. $89.99 now. Craftsman, we have the 135-piece SAE and metric 6 and 12-point mechanic tool set. Comes in the handy-dandy case right there. Normally $149.99, down to $119.99. and then Ace Rewards members $99.99. Now every once in a while we see the larger kits that are like have the drawers in the front and the lift top and there's more pieces to them, and they can go on sale down to $99. They were over the holidays. Of course, with the way prices are going on everything, I don't know how much we can expect that to come back. So this isn't bad. Plus, there's a place for a smaller set like this, much easier to carry around with you if you had to throw it in your trunk or the back seat or something. This is definitely lighter and a little bit easier for you, more portable. Here, okay, so I'm including this because it's on sale, but actually I think you should go to Walmart and get the VacMaster one that is also 10 gallons and $59. So if you go to my website, go to the Deals by Store drop down in the menu at the top, go to Walmart, look at the latest Walmart deals. I don't know if it's still in stock. I didn't check before starting the video, but it's $59 and same size. But this one, normally $129.99 down to $119.99, and then the Ace Rewards members pay $99.99. Here we have a Suncast 2-foot by 2-foot plastic vertical storage shed with floor kit. I don't know what the floor kit is. I'm guessing there's a plastic bottom. It says $219 here. You add to your cart and you get it cheaper. I actually don't remember the price, so we have to add it to our cart. And once it is in our cart, we can see the discounted price of $179.99. Here we have another Suncast item. This is the 58-inch by 32-inch deck box, 200 gallon. Again, starting out at $249, adding it to our cart brings the price down. And for that one, we're going all the way down to $199.99. Now that is all the new deals this month at Ace. Here's the page on my website that is linked down below, and everything you see is in the same order as we saw it. Now, below this line are all things that were on sale last month or even 2 months ago, and they are still at their sale price. So just a quick overview, we have some Milwaukee gloves that are on sale. A couple pairs of their safety glasses are on sale. We have the folding knife, some Craftsman stuff. There's one thing in particular I wanted to show you that's down here. We have a couple of different free tool promotions, like the buy a DeWalt 20-volt tool, get a power stack kit free. That's the 1.7 amp hour power stack battery, and I believe the DCB 112 charger that you get free with that. A lot of retailers have that promotion going. Prices may vary slightly, and available tools may vary slightly, so there is that available if you want. We have the Shockwave Impact Driver bit set, 55-piece set, and you get the Milwaukee right angle adapter for free with that, so that's a pretty good deal. You have the Milwaukee buy a 6 amp hour battery, get a 3 amp hour free. There's a bunch of these where you buy like the cordless ratchet, and then you get $80 off select bear tools, so you can check that out. Also, we have all these buy one, get ones on the reciprocating saw blades, and they've been going on for quite some time, but there's a ton of different Milwaukee options. See any of these that say BOGO next to it. And all you have to do is add 2 to your cart, and it'll automatically discount the price of one of those. So a good deal if you need some reciprocating saw blades. So there it is, guys, the latest amazing Ace hardware deals, and we will be back with a new Ace video next month to update you on everything that comes out for the month of May. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.